And just to bring it back round as well, I think we should explain Sonic brand, like the definition of Sonic branding as opposed to like a Sonic logo as well.
Yeah.
Because we see a lot of people saying, "Oh, have you got Sonic branding?" Or we're interested in getting our own Sonic branding, and they're referring to just the logo.
Yes.
It's just so Sonic logo. Let's think about McDonald's, ba-da-ba-ba-ba, or Netflix, the ba-doom. They are, I consider, Sonic logos. It's an audio version of your visual logo, basically.
And now that you say that, though, it does make sense why people consider that to be Sonic branding, because traditionally those are accompanied by the brand's visual branding.
Yeah.
And it's that one almost static, well, it is pretty much always a static image that your branding is, that is seen as your branding. Obviously, it's got a lot of different touch points because it's visual, so it can be put in your stores. You know, it can be put on billboards, etc. So I do get why people think it's this, why that is such a...
I totally agree. And I also think I reckon most people that come around to hearing the term Sonic branding have probably either gone to do research or had somebody come to them and say, we need to get this sorted, or this is something we should develop because of that missing piece. Because they've got an animated logo, or maybe they've got a logo that maybe they're developing an ad, TV ad, and everything's kind of there, but they're noticing the last few times the music just fades out really quickly. There's not actually like a defining moment to make you go, that brand, especially when everyone's down on their phones when TV adverts are on TV. It's like, what's the moment where you go, I know who this is.
Yeah.
So, and I reckon that the first touch point for people to discover Sonic branding is most likely going to be the logo.